Welcome to Dronifi Multifamily. Dronifi Multifamily is a turnkey drone offering for a range of multifamily uses: acquisition due diligence, physical asset maintenance assessments, and capital project planning. Dronifi Multifamily offers roof, parking lot, and landscape assessments, inspections, and marketing video footage. Roof assessments include a video-based roof inspection, identification of potential roof issues, including water pooling and potential leak locations, captured using computer vision and reported for easy usage and sharing. Parking lot assessments identify abnormalities in parking surfaces, which may include issues with surface cracks, potholes, or water pooling, with damage colorized, marked, and measured. Landscape assessments use advanced tools to locate, assess, and measure a variety of landscape-related problems. These problem areas are measured and marked so maintenance staff or vendors can navigate to the area and make repairs. Tracking repairs is easily done and reported, creating greater accountability with minimal effort. Dronifi Multifamily provides a complete aerial solution, including licensed, safe, and insured pilots for image collection. Dronifi Multifamily provides detailed maps with key property features marked, counted, and measured. Additionally, computer vision tools find and track areas of interest for further review or repair. Inspection and marketing video provide high-value diligence and maintenance information, in addition to archival footage for insurance and historical purposes. Here is the next evolution: Dronifi Multifamily.